Welcome back to another episode of Delicious Live TV. This is your host, Mega, here at the historic Main Street Garden Grove, California. Check out this beautiful classic American car. This is a 1955 Ford Thunderbird. We should check this one out. What's up, you guys? Back at it with another video. Look what I found. Look at this beautiful Americana. We're gonna do a walk around here at the historic Main Street, and as I do my walk around, I spotted this beautiful American Roadster. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a 1955 Ford Thunderbird in this beautiful red paint job. Let's see what's up, what this car is all about. As all you can see, this thing is powered by a naturally aspirated 292 V8 engine. Look at that. Look at, even check out this valve cover. For what I can see, this thing is all period correct. Don't know much about this classic Americana, and for the way I look at it, it looks period correct according to how it came up from the 1955. Look at that. This thing is sitting on the wide wall tires, the 205 75 series 15-inch wheels with center cap hubcaps. Look at that beautiful paint job, guys. Check out that gills, that V8 sign, and look at this fully upholstered interior. As you can see, this thing has I'm not sure if this has been retrofitted with modern classics. It has a manual transmission. It looks beautiful. Such a beautiful masterpiece. Classic Americana. Check it out. Look at it. Look at the taillight, guys. Look at all this chrome, these taillights, all these beautiful designs to it. Unbelievable 55 Thunderbird. Love it. Leave a comment, guys. Give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell. This is what Ford came out when they had the Barchetta, the Ferrari Barchetta. So this design is actually inspired from that car. So this is what they came out with. It has a design elements of the Ferrari Barchetta, and this is what I don't know much about the history about that, the story between this Thunderbird and the Ferrari Barchetta. Was Enzo Ferrari gave it to Ford, what's it, Deuce de Hank. Look at that interior. Unbelievable car. Such a beautiful masterpiece. I like it. And then let's go back to the trunk. Look at that. Look at our beautiful taillight, guys. Look at that chrome. That's pretty much the exhaust. Same thing, the Ferrari also comes with this bumper designs. Such a beautiful car, guys. Leave a comment. But that's pretty much it. And then we pretty much covered this beautiful 1955 Ford Thunderbird. But once again, this is your host, Miguel, showing you this beautiful classic American car here at the historic Main Street, and I hope you guys like it. This 1955 Ford Thunderbird for another episode of Delicious Live TV.